Alright fam, what up? This is an unboxing. We're gonna unbox, alright, and it's a disclosure too about, exactly what we do around here, okay? Well, one of the things. And so what we got here is the HC5985 Ultimate Comfort headphones. These are really good, okay? I use Beyerdynamic T1s as kind of my reference point and as my primary. And when we got these done up, we knocked it out of the park. This is an original design, okay? They surpass, for real, like they're, like, people who have been promoted these ones, because we haven't sold that many actually. We've been sending them out on promos to certain DJs, certain scene people, and that, and everyone's like, whoa, these are actually like really good, not a word of a lie. These are legit, 100%. And we got in here, you can see they come like this, and we got this nice little box here, okay? So here's a box. Okay, separate box. It's got a curly cord. Okay, we love those. And a straight cord. Okay, and it's got that little adapter on there for all of you 1/4 inch people. Okay, right? So this is a replaceable cord with the replacement in the box already. And then this is what they look like on the thing there. And we'll just open that up. Okay, here we go. Yeah, and then we'll just pull these cups off. And this is stupid. This is the dumb packaging part. Like, why is this plastic on there? Unnecessary plastic. But hey, I didn't decide that. Basically, our warehouse got a bit reamed for packaging things improperly, and now they overpack everything. They really overpack, and that's okay though. It just means that we have extra packing material around here. And anyway, this is what they look like. Okay, stellar cans, right? All day long. Now these are closed back, so you're not going to bother anyone with them, wearing them. And then, yeah, take this little curly cord out. Doo-doo-doo. And it's cool because we've got one end that for sure goes into the headphone, and then one end that, you connect. And it's very obviously distinguished between the two. Okay. There we go. Plug that one in, left side. Okay. And that's what they look like on there. Obviously, I can't, you're hearing your speakers or headphones or whatever right now, and you're not going to hear these unless you order a set. We do have them on sale right now. I'm not going to say the price, but they're valued, for sure you wouldn't be able to get a set of headphones like this for under $200. Okay, they beat my $2,000 headphones. They do, and they are cheaper than you think, from us anyway. Okay, right on. 420, 421, anytime's fun, field these dreams, etc., etc. Corn, you know how much corn can you eat before your poop is entirely corn. 433.